Okay, I'm ready to do an I-cord bind off. I'm doing a 3-stitch I-cord bind off because I'm using a finer yarn, so I don't want too thick an I-cord. So the first thing to do is to cast on an extra 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then away we go. Knit the first 2, and then on the 3rd stitch we're going to knit 2 together through the back loops. So I'm knitting through the back of that one that I cast on, and then one that's already part of my last row. So knit those 2 together, and I now have 3 stitches on my right needle, which I am now going to transfer back to my left needle and knit the first 2, and then knit the next 2. So you have a bit of a gap there, that's normal, through the back loops. Knit them together, transfer those 3 back, away we go again. Knit the first 2, knit the next 2 together through the back loops, transfer back to my left needle, and as you can see, the yarn's coming from the back of our work each time, and we're just going to pull it firmly, and away we go. Knit 2, and then knit 2 together through the back loops, and we're going to continue all the way along, transfer back, all the way along. Okay, and now you can see what's happening, creating that beautiful I-cord sort of rolled finish, which is a really nice tidy bind off.